So I think if you just look at the sheer scale of growth of lending, I think that's been a pretty fast-paced growth. Also MSMEs have now evolved to understand how to use lending very well. The level of bookkeeping, the level of financial discipline that you see in MSMEs now, especially SMEs, has become quite noteworthy. So many of them have now become, instead of just being sole proprietorships or partnerships, have now become private limited companies, much better disclosure, which makes it much easier for banking partners to partner with them in their growth. This is one of the points that we were making earlier, that what distinguishes between companies that are able to utilize debt very smartly and create a lot of confidence in the financial services partners to be able to provide them debt is the level of financial discipline that they show off. So the fact that they keep their short-term financing separate from their long-term financing, the fact that their books are now so much better, all that really helps in the ability to raise debt, and also of the banking partners or financial partners to be able to partner with those MSMEs and help them grow. I think that's been one of the helps which have happened through all the digitization, GST implementation, etc. That cash flow information is now far easier to get than it was earlier. I don't think the reliance on balance sheet has gone away completely or will go away for the slightly larger entities. But in addition to balance sheet and in addition to conduct, cash flow information has become extremely powerful now in the ability to underwrite MSMEs. And I think this trend will continue to grow. I think we've had a very healthy growth in our MSME portfolio, and the portfolio itself looks quite healthy. It's actually been quite pleasant the way MSMEs have been able to bounce back post-COVID. The resilience that's been shown during COVID, yes, there were major concerns across the country and I think across the world about how MSMEs will behave. But I think what we have seen in our portfolio is that they've generally been quite healthy, and we've not seen any concerns yet. In fact, there are some segments which continue to grow quite well. And I think as we come into the later part of the year, when the festive season kicking in, etc., I think we will see some good growth in MSME.